Hi and welcome. Did you know that out of the entire world population, 20% speaks English? That is 1.5 billion people. Of the 1.5 billion people, 360 million speak English as their first language. My name is Reagan Bierma, and today our group is going to be sharing a little deeper look into the respective details surrounding our nonprofit, Evolving English. So, our value proposition statement, we have high expectations to provide an exceptional English language learning experience to the citizens of Brazil. Volunteer teachers will work in kind and patient fashions in an all-out effort to help the citizens of Brazil have a better career opportunities for their future. Our MVP, most valuable product, is our workbooks. The workbooks will contain lesson plans. Each lesson plan will take several weeks to complete depending on each plan. For example, Lesson 1 includes conversations and speaking, Introduction to English with interactive online material and activities. It also includes getting to know the students. Lesson 2 is all about pronunciation, vowels, spelling, letter combos, consonants, homophones, and word stress. By the end of Lesson 5, our goal is to be able to have our students write sentences. Our market size and impact. Um, Verified market research points to huge growth in the language learning market over the next 7 years. Currently, the online language learning market has a value of 9.16 billion US dollars. Expected growth is at least 10%, well, 10.5% from 2009 to 2026. By 2026, the market size is expected to be around 20.21 billion US dollars. So kid ages 0 to 14 in Brazil is 50.69 million. Our TAM is 50.69 million students ages 0 to 14, and our SAM is assuming 10,000 students, give or take. So our ability is to impact millions. However, realistically, we're only going to be able to impact into the thousands for our English teaching program. And I will give it over to Matt.